With Second Life Viewer 2, we're striving to use consistent user interface terms so you have an easier time referring to them instead of going, what's that thing? We have the bottom bar, the new sidebar, and here is the top bar, which consists of 3 different strips, but they're all in this bundle, as you can see. The menu bar, this is the navigation bar, and this is the favorites bar. By the way, hint, if you right click here, you can hide either navigation bar or favorites bar if you so desire. But this tutorial is about what the navigation bar, as it were, can do for you. So you know it shows the place, and optionally it can show the coordinates. I just right clicked, or the parcel properties. And if you click it, of course, see if I click off here, but I click back on, it shows a slurl, a Second Life URL you can copy and paste to a web browser or blog or text chat or whatever for people to find this location where your avatar is. In addition, it can also be used as a supplementary search bar, and let me show you how that works. So first of all, there's sort of a fallback mechanism. If you type the name of a region, we'll pick one that's well known, something like Waterhead. Now, first of all, you saw that brief flash. It will try to autocomplete if you've been somewhere before in your landmarks. Right here in your teleport history, as you can see, I've got a bunch of places. It will try to fill that out, similar to your web browser. However, if you enter somewhere that is simply a region name, and you can confirm this, by the way, by going to the world map and right here, and for example, we can type in something like Waterhead, Waterhead, not Waterhad, and then find, and we can see that's a real region. That's how it determines. So first off, if we type Waterhead like that, and I'm going to hit enter, and we're going to go on our merry way. This is a quick way to instantly, close to, a few seconds, be reasonable, people. And I'll tell you, it completes the teleport just very, very fast like that. So if you know the name of the region, you can get there. If you know how to type in the long form, it's longer that way. Unfortunately, it doesn't work to just type in something like that with the coordinates. This does not work. This instead brings up search, which in this case was not really effective because it doesn't parse that. So yeah, that is one thing where I think, oh, it could be easier to quickly get to a set of coordinates. But otherwise, the fallback thing that I was telling you about comes into play if you type for something, type in something like gold jewelry. So it doesn't autocomplete and it's not the name of a region. So when you press enter, then it's going to return search results for that, and you can narrow it down by tab. So this actually came in response to something my wife was wondering about, if you can make the search bar bigger, because we know in Firefox and others you can click and drag, and we're looking into the feature design for that, as well as the chat bar, being able to horizontally resize it at your whim without more complicated under the hood tweaking. But for now, of course, you can just simply type in just any query, and this will function as an extended search bar, if you will. So let me type in something else like watermelons. Ooh, and it'll bring up watermelons. I love those.